Alright guys, welcome back to your boy Prince TV. If this is your first time of coming across to this platform, please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so that anytime I upload my video, you always be the first person to be notified and know how this video is all about. Alright guys, sometimes it's like this, we stay at the background while we dish out the information. You understand? Alright, said here, we are going to talk about the new electronic identity card, though it's not something new. But the electronic identity card known as Carta the identita, the Italian government are trying to use this as an alternative to SPID because they find out maybe some people are unable to make use of this SPID code or kind of like even go to get this SPID code. So they are trying to kind of like use the Carta the identita known as the electronic card to use as an alternative to SPID. You understand? Okay, let's go to the article so that we can read everything and see how it happened. You understand? All right, it said here, new electronic identity card, how to use it to access the tax offices as an alternative to the SPID. You understand, like I said before. Right, it said here, how to use the electronic identity card as an alternative to the SPID to have access to the digital service of public administrations. You understand? Okay, it said here, there is a valid alternative to the SPID in order to have access to digital services of many public administrations, including the Revenue Agency, the IMS or the Revenue Collection Agency. You understand? All right. So this SPID, we know what SPID is for. It's used for, like, you know, to apply bonus, to do different kind of things. You understand? So if you have SPID, those ones who cannot make use of it direct with their phone or with their PC, known as computer, you can go to the CAF and then they will operate everything to you. Provided you have the SPID code, they will just help you to apply everything you have to apply. So in this case now, they are still trying to kind of like make use of this Carta the identita as SPID code, because you guys know that Carta identita, there is a code at the top side. So let's go a little bit forward. Let's not be that I'm trying to say everything myself. Let's go a little bit forward and see how it look like. All right, it said here, this is the CIE or the electronic identity card, the new identification document that is gradually replacing the old paper documents. You guys know that before we have been using the paper identity card. You understand? That is the paper one, that is the old one. So now this plastic one is the one replacing that old identity card. You understand? You guys know what I'm trying to say here. All right, he said here, the new electronic identity card issued by the municipalities and equipped with a PIN code gives the possibility to have access to numerous online services of public bodies. You understand? Like I said. All right, it said here, let's see specifically how it works and how to access these services. Okay, now let's see what they said here, how we can kind of like access these services. You understand? At the end of this video, I'll give a good clarification so that you guys can still know what to do. All right, it said here, electronic identity card, what is it? CIE is the acronym yes to electronic identity card and is a new identification document that combines in a single tool the verification of the identity of the owner. You understand? All right, he said an access key to the telematic services of the PA and a fast access system to numerous services for the citizens. All right, so this Carta identita will be acting as a big role here in Italy henceforth, which the government are trying to introduce. You understand? All right, he said, this is an authentic revolution of the identity card, which is now more secured and with more feed of use. You understand? So the electronic card known as the Carta identita will play more roles here in Italy. All right, he said the request for an electronic identity card can be made when the old paper document expires or if the old one has been lost as a result of thief, destroyed, or irreplaceable, damaged. You understand? Be requested in an extraordinary way, and due to the importance, it is now about to cover even up to 6 months before the old paper document expires. You understand? All right, he said here, the request must be made to your municipalities of residence, just like you do with the old paper document. You guys know? All right, he said the electronic identity card costs €16 79 cents. You understand? In addition, of course, to the fees that you pay to your municipalities. You understand? All right. He said it is necessary to bring your photos in passport format, even not materially. That is by producing it in electronic format or USB support. These ones are just articles here. All right. He said electronic identity card alternative to the various tools available today. All right, he said here, by now, the vast majority of Italian taxpayers will have noticed that the digitization of public administration is underway. You understand? All right, he said there are now many services that can be done electronically and without the need to go to the territorial offices of the bodies for the processing of practices. You understand? Like I said before, with this, like this Carta identita now, which they are bringing out now, you can use it to replace in the place of the speed code, which now states that, you know, you don't have to go to the bodies like you go to CAF to apply things. For those ones who can make use of it, that is this news. For those people who can really make use of it, because I know not everybody can really make use of this process online. So if you cannot still make use of it, you can still go to the CAF as well and do the way you used to do, or in other way around, you can tell the CAF to kind of like use your card code to kind of like apply things for you. So this is what this update is all about. Just to let you guys really understand, there are many articles here. Just I have to break it down. It's just something short for you to get this update that is coming up, that the Italian government are trying to make use of the Carta identita in the place of the speed. You understand? So it's an update. We have to kind of like update you guys to really know how everything is going. So if this is your first time of coming across to this platform, please subscribe and share out this video to help others so that they can really know, those ones who don't have the Carta identita, so that they can go and find way to get this card of identity. Is very much important. You understand? Because on a very good day, one day, Italian government might still say, okay, fine, if you have Carta identita, you can even travel to your country. So the earlier the better. When you have this, is better. You understand? If you know, you know. You understand? So that is it. So stay blessed. Till next time we'll be together. I remain your boy Prince TV. Ciao.